Okay, so let's talk about the house block. So I have a square block with a repeat 4. I'm going to make sure my move in my square and my triangle block are the same. So I have square, I have repeat 4, move 100, turn 90, and triangle, repeat 3, move 100, turn 120. So I'm going to go ahead and say okay on both of those. And then I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to make the triangle and the square work together to make a house. So let's try. And I'm just going to put them together and let them draw and then see if there's something else I need to do. Oh, pen down. Okay. So this is a little envelope. So this is actually really close to what needs to happen. If I draw the triangle first, all I need to do is flip this triangle upside down. So right now the triangle is drawing this way, but I need it to draw that way. So it's drawing clockwise, and I need it to draw counterclockwise. And that's actually a really easy fix. I can edit this block, and I can just relabel that turn block by right-clicking and selecting the other direction. And now, if I draw my house, so there's my house. So the next kind of problem to solve is to draw a row of houses. So I'm going to grab a go-to so that I'm starting kind of on the left-hand side. So I'll maybe do like -200 and see where that puts me. Okay, that's pretty good. So another thing I'm noticing is that I'm going to be drawing when I don't want to draw, perhaps. So I'm going to do a pen up after I draw the square. And I'm going to do a pen down right before I draw the triangle. So I'm only drawing the house. So if I clear, there we go. So then I have one house drawn starting where I want it to start, but now I need to move this sprite to the other side of the house to start drawing my next house. So all I need to do is know how big the house is and move that many steps. That's one way to do it. So it'd be 100 steps. And then I would want to draw another house. So I guess now it's time to make a house block. So I'm going to make a block, select motion, call it house. And then I can put the code that's actually drawing the house, which would be pen down, triangle, square, pen up. That's the house drawing. Say okay. Grab that house block. Oh, get out of my way. Here we go. And then move. And then I would want another house block. And then another move. Probably should have duplicated that together, etc. And as soon as I start duplicating code exactly the same like that, I'm thinking, okay, that's not what I should be doing. I should be using a repeat block. So what do I want to repeat? I want to draw a house and move, draw a house and move. The go-to, I only want to do that at the very beginning because that's setting my starting point. Okay, so if I clear, there we go. So 10 was too much. Looks like 4 will fit. I'm going to change that to 4. And that'll just depend on how big your house was. Okay, that's it. That's row of house. Oh, one more thing. If you wanted to make your houses different colors, it's kind of fun. You could change pen hue by however much in between each house. So there's a row of rainbow houses. You could also, if you wanted to get really fancy, put your change pen hue by inside here and maybe do a couple of them. So before the triangle and before the square. Or you could even put it inside the triangle and inside the square and make every single line a little bit different. So now if I clear, it should be like the triangle's one color and the square is the next color. It's pretty close to the same, but on the first triangle, you can kind of tell. Okay, that is all.